Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to our channel Technology, and today in this video I'm going to show you guys 3 ways you can free your Windows 10 C drive. So you just need to follow me. So as you can see, here is my C drive free space right now. So the first method is you have to go to your My Computer, and after that go under C drive and go to under Windows folder under C drive. So here it is. So double click over there. Now you have to find software distribution. So here it is. So under that folder you have to delete all the files and folders over there. Don't worry, it will delete your cache. So delete all the files under it and click on skip. So the next method is you have to go to your My Computer once again and go under C drive, and on the right side corner you will get search option. So click over there and you have to copy this command from my video description, which is size semicolon gigantic. So I will give you the command on my video description. You can copy from there, and after that it will take some time to search all your large files. So after search done, you will get all your files over there. So make sure that before deleting any files from here, make sure that that is not your important file. Okay, so here is the Apex game file. So I will delete this to file, and this one is for my VMware virtual machine, so I will not delete this one. The next method is you have to go to your start menu and type over there disk cleanup, and now click on this disk cleanup tool, and now select your drive. Here in my case I will select a C and click on OK. Now it will scan and select all the option from here. Expect this downloads folder, because if you will select this download folder, it will delete all the files under your download folder. So I will not select downloads folder here, and after that click on OK and click on delete files. So after done, I will go to My Computer once again and click on this PC, and as you can see, here's my C drive space right now. So I hope this small video will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button, and if you have any queries or question, then comments down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Take care.